Hey everybody, Kira here, and we're going to do an acrylic pour painting. I'm going to try out the Dutch pour method again, so we're just going to start with some white. I just want to get a very, very thin layer of white kind of everywhere. Just using the popsicle stick to kind of smooth everything out. Some copper. Actually, this is probably the last painting I'm going to do today, so we're gonna go all in. A lot of shiny copper. A bunch of magenta. Got some kind of dark bluey purple. God, that is a technical name there, friends. Bluey purple. Blurple, if you will. Not a real paint name. Please don't come for me. Go in. Some white all around. I have to make some more white after this. Yeah, here we go. End of the road. I'd throw a little bit of the... No, don't be stuck. Don't make me unclog you. Yep, okay. Really? Really, paint squeezy jar? This is rude. There we go. Wow. Alright, well, there is just clearly a lump in there that I'm going to need to deal with later. Come on. There we go. At least work for this video. That'll have to do. Okay, let's take you in for a close-up.